मार्ग रीत दिखाई प्रगट।
जयति श्री गोवर्धन दरः श्रीमदाचार्य चरण कमलेभ्यो नमः। चिंता संतान हंतारो यत्पादां भुजरेणवः स्वीयानां तान् निजाचार्यान् प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। Today, on the auspicious occasion of Acharya Charan Jagat Guru Srimad Vallabhacharya Sri Mahaprabhuji's Utsav, I send you all my badhai and ashirwad. I hope you are safe and healthy, joining me to celebrate this august day from the secured confines of your home. In my understanding of history, I think this is the first time that Acharya Charan Sri Mahaprabhuji's Utsav has not seen a gathering of Hari Guru Vaishnav in one place. This is the first time that the premise of the Tilkayat residence will not echo with band baja and Mangal Gan of Shobha Yatra. This is the first time that Shriji Dwar will not see a grand procession through the town. It is what it is, and it is so for the safety of each and every Jeev of Prabhu. Hence it is our dharma to ensure that we as well as those around us are safe. Dharma doesn't only mean religion, but it is righteousness, the way of life. Dharma teaches us many things. One of them is dhairya, patience, to wait. Today, we should be thankful that Prabhu Kripa has kept us safe, and we should be patient because Sri Vallabh's Kripa will lead us back to him. On his Utsav today, in this unique situation, one of many glorious names of Sri Vallabh comes to my mind, Raha Priyaha. Simply it means the one who enjoys to stay by himself, a lover of loneliness. This is the 80th name of Sri Vallabh according to Sri Sarvottamji, and describes his preference for solitude, where he can lose himself in Prabhu's Leela without disturbance. We will find evidence of his preference for solitude in his choice of Baitakjis across India. They are almost always found by quiet little river or stream with silent jungle surrounding and no settlement in sight. It is in places like these that Sri Vallabh found the most peace and joy, and taught us how easy it is to tune into Prabhu's thoughts when you are in solitude. Taught us that it is okay to be alone, it is okay to be without company, for that when you will be able to experience Prabhu's glorious form in his Leelas. Sanyog is so easily granted and almost always a part of everyone's life, but it is in Viprayog that the true test of love lies. Like metal burns to goal inside fire, Jeev bakes to a better version of himself when in Viprayog, because missing someone makes you love them even more. I believe this is one of the many meanings of Raha Priyaha, to teach the world to love even in separation. In fact, to love more during separation. It is my hope that to all of us, this separation will bring more love. That night will turn to day with the dawn of Bhakti Marg's sun, Bhakti Margabj Martanda, Sri Vallabh. In that light, the fire of Viprayog will burn out and Sanyog will shine bright upon us. Until then, stay in solitude, stay in Prabhu Seva, stay in Prabhu Smaran, spend time with your family, cook together, clean together, exercise, watch good shows, listen to music. After all, it's not always that adults get a summer vacation. आचार्य चरण श्री महाप्रभु जी के प्रागट्य उत्सव की पुनः आप सभी को खूब खूब बधाई एवं आशीर्वाद। श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
सेवा रीत प्रीत ब्रज जन की, सेवा रीत प्रीत ब्रज ब्रज जन के जनहित जग प्रगटारी। दास शरण हरि भागदीश की चरण रेणु निज पाई प्रगट भय मार्ग रीत दिखाई। मार्ग रीत दिखाई प्रगट भय मार्ग रीत दिखाई।